In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change margins in Google Docs. This is a handy skill if you're preparing any kind of document, whether it's for school, work, or personal projects, and need to ensure that everything is perfectly aligned and looks professional. So let's dive right in and see how you can change those margins quickly and easily. First things first, you'll want to go to Google Docs. You can simply open your web browser and type in Google Docs, or if you're already logged into your Google account, you can find it in the Google Apps menu, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in Google Docs, you'll need to open the document you want to modify. This could be an existing document or a new one that you've just started. With your document open, look at the top menu bar and click on File. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Page Setup. Once you click on this option, a new window or dialog box will pop up. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a section devoted entirely to margins. In this margin settings section, you'll notice there are options for top, bottom, left, and right margins. This is where you can customize how much space you want between the text of your document and the edge of the paper. If, for example, you want to make more room at the top for a title or header, you can increase the top margin. Similarly, adjusting the left or right margins can help with binding documents or any specific layout adjustments you might need. To change the margins, simply click on the field next to the margin you wish to adjust and enter your desired measurements. These measurements are typically in inches, but you can also use centimeters if that's how you're comfortable. Input the numbers that work best for your needs, keeping in mind any requirements you might have been given for formatting. Once you've adjusted the margins to your liking, you've got two choices for finalizing this change. You can click OK to apply these settings to the current document only. On the other hand, if you find that you often use these same margin settings and want them to apply to all new documents in the future, you can click on Set as Default. This will ensure that any new document you create in Google Docs will automatically have these margin settings. And there you have it. Changing margins in Google Docs is simple and fast. With just a few clicks, you can tailor your document's layout to fit your specific needs. Remember to experiment with different settings until you find the ones that suit your style or requirements. Thanks for tuning in, and happy document editing.